Okay guys, we're back with Behind the Bee. Today we're out in the manufacturing area, specifically the steel fabrication area. We're going to grab Clyde in a second and go for a bit of a walk down a few of the bays and get a bit of an idea about some of the improvements that we're making. And there's actually a product down the end that I do want to get some information out of him from. So we'll go grab Clyde now and we'll see what he's got to say. Cheers for taking a bit of time for us, mate.
No worries at all.
Obviously we're in the steel fabrication area now.
That's correct.
Why don't you let us know obviously we've made a lot of improvements over in the pit stop in terms of lean and the way we've kind of set things up. Yep. What's some stuff that's happening out here that might interest our viewers?
Look, probably one of our main things at the moment, we're trying to bring all our workers up to the same level, bring all our bays to the same level. We're introducing like standard toolkits. It's a big work in progress that we've got going, so we don't have our guys wandering over to away from their steel bays. Yep. To grab gear that they require.
Yep.
It's a process that we're working through them. Each guy's had their particular needs and requirements, so we're trying to cater for those as well.
Yep.
One of the big things we've got out here in the workshop at the moment is we've updated all our safe work method statements, and we're trying to bring everybody up to the safety standards this industry requires.
Yep.
So we can ensure our clients that they're going to get everything built to the standard they require, but also built in a safe manner.
Yep.
Some of our hot projects that we've got here at the moment these are some of our flagship products that we've got going through for some of our top tier clients.
Yep.
This one here is what shall we call it, a mantle or a primary crusher mantle or a shaft holder.
Yep.
It's got a safe working load of 110 tonnes. The shaft in this one actually protrudes about 8 metres beyond, so it's a long way up the building, and its stability was a massive issue. So that's one of our projects that we've got going through here that's quite interesting.
Yeah, I've seen that one out here, and I'm glad you mentioned it, because I was going to ask you about it, and I know that's sort of something that a lot of sites could use, right? It's not just any site that's got that application would benefit from something like this.
It's definitely something that a lot of sites could use. This one has been built for a specific shaft and size.
Yep.
But it could be implemented across any site when it comes to servicing primary crushers.
Yep, awesome. All right, mate, well, I think we might wrap it up there, but thanks again for taking some time with us. I'm looking forward to seeing all the improvements we're thinking about making come to fruition, because we're obviously set a really high standard as it is, but I think it's great that you've been working in with the guys, understanding their needs, and then coming to that happy medium that's got a suits and helps everyone. So thanks again, mate.
No worries at all. Glad to work with you.
Thanks again, everyone, for tuning in to Behind the Bee. It was great to get Clyde in on this one and get a bit of a look and feel about what's happening out here and where things are going. It's exciting to hear how much input the team out here is having on the updates and progressions of the steel fabrication area. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on that, and thanks again, and we'll see you all next time.